question always. I'm getting tired. We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get a place together?
Welcome back to the show, guys. I am your host, Richard Quico. Joined with me today is Will and the Octane Army. So we are back here at iLusso. We wanted to check out the Agera R. From what I've seen, we don't see it yet, but I'm really hoping it's here. We do see a wide body Huracan, which is so dope. It's always so dope to see like a wide body, any car basically. So I need a lock. Oh wait. But yeah, let's check out what they have in store here. Again, they have Corvette. I'm pretty sure that's not theirs. There you go. X5M, Panamera, Audi R8, 599, GTB, Tesla GTR, 458, 488, 430. So yeah, that concludes our episode today. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys. I'm just joking. 911 Auto. 911 Auto.
Richard, what do you think of these wheels?
Which ones? Oh, but hell no on those rims. Oh my god, who would do this? Finally, there's nothing behind it, so you can really check out how wide this thing is. Like
Trevita.
the Trevita. Is that how you pronounce it?
Trevita. Yes. Now for the best car in the showroom, the Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita.
Thank you.
Is that CCX, right? Or is it?
CCXR.
CCXR.
Ooh, this thing is so wide. Oh my god. Ghost Squad. Mayweather's Trevita. Hell no.
Previously owned by Floyd Mayweather.
Whoa.
Eventually, this thing's gonna skyrocket.
What? How? Why
It's
so?
only two.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, we're here at iLusso. For once, they have no cars there, so you can really check out how wide and special this thing is. They got rid of the LaFerrari. It's now at Beverly Hills. And they also got rid of the... There used to be a Transformers Bugatti here. I don't know if you remember that, the wacky looking one with the Daniel on the what do you call this, on the headrest. That one I think went to CNC Motors, and then the LaFerrari went over to Beverly Hills, but and now it's there. Not sure where the Agera R is though, because supposedly it was supposed to be here, but we're gonna check out. We're gonna ask the guy here, see, you know, if he knows the whereabouts of the car, or if it's actually just in the back, and you know they're kind of like keeping it low key. But yeah, really interested to see what's over here. We're incredibly spoiled here though in California, because like look at this, look at this lineup. This is just a dealership. They let anybody walk in. It's really cool. So if you're in the, you know, if you're in the city, if you're in Newport Beach or Costa Mesa area, definitely check it out. Like if you've never been around this area before, because you can check out this thing up close and personal. It looks amazing in my opinion. Only two were made. The last one didn't get built. Number 2 didn't get built, right?
Yeah.
So the only number 1 and 3. This is number 3? Yeah, Mayweather's is number 3. And this is what we have right here. Mayweather's. It's going for $4 million, you said?
He bought it for $4 million.
Oh, he bought it for $4 million. Jeez.
Where's the Agera R?
We took it for the weekend.
Okay.
This guy's like super excited. They're gonna start it up in like 3 seconds.
Here comes the startup.
The anticipation.
Oh, lower the batteries, Dad. We can push it for you.
This guy just came.
Wait, it's 800 horsepower?
Yes. And if you like have it on E85, it's 1,000.
Tomorrow's gonna be.
Someone lend me like $2 million.
So you can buy an Agera?
Yes, I will pay you back in 10 years.
When you sell it.
Yes.
So this is the tutorial how to jumpstart a Koenigsegg. So right there you have there's a little indicator showing you the positive pole. Got it. So cool. Oh my god. He is so cool. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you start up a Koenigsegg Trevita. Took 4 people, 2 tries, but we finally got it. The negative pole is like under the exhaust manifold, so you know, if you ever need help starting up your Koenigsegg with a jump pack, I'll be there. I'll show you where it is. It's kind of like on the bottom, like say you're facing the engine, right? It's like to the left, all the way at the bottom. There's like little studs that you just plop on the negative to. Yeah, it's right there. Oh, sounds so menacing. Dude. This thing sounds like a monster. Jeez. I love how he's getting on the throttle a little bit. Oh my god, it's out in the sun. My excitement right now, dude. The Trevita out in the open. I'm literally going bananas right now.
I'm like, inside I'm like screaming.
Oh my god, dude. This is crazy. How much are they selling it now, do you know?
I have no idea.
Oh, it's you have the inquiries only.
I'll ask.
Oh my god.
Can't see the carbon outside.
So good.
It looks so much better out in the open. Jesus. Oh my god.
That's why when I used to fly work.
Jeez. Oh, I love that. Oh my god. I love how much power he has to give. You might have to direct him, Marlon. He has room. He has a lot of room. Geez, I want to drive it so bad.
So hard to drive.
Oh,
Wow.
favorite car too?
Dude, my heart rate is like going insane right now. Dude, that's got some weight to it.
Holy
Richard holding the
crap!
key.
Try to show it. The cockroach or something.
This is actually pretty heavy, and this is the Trevita
like
key.
3 pounds.
Dude, this looks so awesome. Oh my god.
Company
Handing this off.
Handing the key. Surprisingly heavy.
Absolutely insane, dude. How excited are you right now, Harlan?
Oh, very excited.
That's what dreams are made of.
You're just one more step closer to your dream, dude.
I'm like,
Because this guy, this is like his favorite car
I have
too.
the ghost on my back.
Oh yeah, he has a tattoo of the ghost on it. Yeah.
So we can hold it more and just stare at it.
Everyone praise the key. Praise the key. Bow down on the key.
Bow down
Has
to
a
the key.
Koenigsegg
Bow
tattoo.
down.
Bow down to the key.
Bow down.
He is the #1 fan of Koenigsegg.
Dude, this is so
Let's go.
awesome.
Like, oh, that's amazing.
How do you even
This is
unlock
his
this?
tattoo.
This is
Probably the
insane.
stuff on the back. Like, it's got those 2 buttons right there.
Oh yeah, you're right.
You
Yeah.
probably, yeah.
One's unlock and then the other one's lock or something.
When you have to label your key.
What do you think
You
it's
have
made
so
out of?
many. Probably like titanium.
Aluminum, maybe titanium, possibly.
Titanium or steel.
This guy's so awesome for
Yeah.
letting us hold it and
This
shit.
dude's so chill about it.
Catching it start up and like rev a little bit and go around just a lot here. Oh my god, this thing sounds incredible. Like it just sounds like thunder, and it really hits you deep down in like kind of your chest, like a bass. A good example is like going to like a music festival or something, or a rave, like where there's like a lot of bass. It kind of feels like that, but coming from a car. Like, Jesus. Really thankful to the employee here at iLusso, you know, for being an awesome guy, letting us look at the car, check it out, help him a little bit, like navigate here through, you know, we're always willing to help out. But yeah, such an awesome guy. He even let us check out the key, if you can see that. And the key had like some weight to it. It was pretty incredible though, just holding it. I'm surprised, like there's an unlock button and a lock button on the back, and that's pretty much it. You have 2 buttons on the back, and then yeah, it just feels like a big solid piece of metal, but it's pretty incredible. Oh my god, iLusso, thank you so much. I love you so much, iLusso. Like this is literally the only dealership I know of where the people here are super chill. They let you like check out the cars. They kind of like, you know, if you just want to look at them, they'll like leave you alone. Like other dealerships, I know they kind of feel like you feel like you're being pressured to leave. You just feel like you don't belong. But here, you know, it feels just like at home. You can check out the cars up close and personal, and they're really chill, they're really cool, so yeah, check it out. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Thank you guys for watching this episode. See you guys next time. Peace out.